time for the show. Show. It's time for the show. Oh no, I'm wearing my son's hat and it's too small. I have to tape it onto my head. Oh, I'm Philip DeFranco. I'm wearing a hat. Oh yeah, it's my birthday. This is my birthday hat. Hi, it's time for the show again. Hey, I'm wearing my. Yeah, you've been filled in. Oh yeah, World AIDS Day. Today is World AIDS Day, and I was born on World AIDS Day to commemorate the World AIDS. Don't forget about AIDS. The sperm and AIDS are together. Bam. In prison. Ooh, in prison sperm. Wi-Fi from the future. I'm a cop. I'm a future cop. Look, stay tuned for the pictures of the female cops from the future. They're very pretty. Happy birthday. It's my birthday. World AIDS Day. Wi-Fi. Bam. Sperm count is going down because the world has AIDS. Sperm count is going down because the world has AIDS.
Hi, please stay tuned for this picture of a female cop from the future. These female cops, they're the cops of the future because cops have been getting a bad reputation, and therefore the police is trying to improve the police image. So in the future, all cops will be female, and they will wear handcuffs on their belt, or hold it in front of them, or hold a gun like a big stick. So these are the future cops of America. Future cops. Hi, I'm a cop from the future. I'm a female. Yeah. And I'm robotic. I'm a future cop from the future. And in the future, you won't hate cops because they will be pretty.